Objective: to explain why do we prefer plastics. In our day-to-day life, plastic has become part of our life. If you think of storing a food item, water, pickles, etc., plastic containers are most convenient. Here a question arises: why do we prefer plastics? Plastics are light in weight, lower price, good strength, and can be easily handled. Plastics are being lighter as compared to metals. They are used in cars, aircrafts, and spacecraft too. This list is endless if we start counting articles like slippers, furniture, decoration pieces, etc. Now, let us discuss the characteristic properties of plastics. 1. Plastic is non-reactive or chemically inactive. For example, if you compare a metal chair with a plastic chair, the metal chair will easily be rusted when left exposed to air and moisture for longer periods. But plastic chairs do not react with water or air. They are not corroded easily. Plastics are weather resistant. Plastics do not react with any chemicals like acids or bases. Plastic is a poor conductor of heat. If you think about kitchen utensils, the main body is often made up of metal and the handle portion is covered with plastic. Metal is a good conductor of heat. Hence, to cook food properly, the main body is made up of metal. But if the handle is made up of same metal, it conducts heat and causes burns when you handle. To prevent this, handles of utensils are generally covered with plastics as it is a poor conductor. Plastics are bad conductors of electricity. Electricity is very essential for daily activities. There are several electrical appliances available in the market, like washing machines, mixers, iron box, water heaters, ovens, refrigerators, air conditioners, coolers, etc. To operate all these electric appliances, we need electric wires. You might have seen electric wire closely, that inside an electric wire, thin copper filaments are coiled together for conducting electricity. Above these copper filaments, a plastic sheet is insulated, which is a bad conductor and prevents electric shocks. Even electric switches are made up of plastic for the same reason. Plastic in the healthcare industry. Plastics find extensive use in the healthcare industry. They are used in packaging of tablets, threads used for stitching wounds, in manufacturing syringes, doctors' gloves, and a number of medical instruments. Plastics as special cookware. Special plastic cookware is used in microwave ovens for cooking food. In microwave ovens, the heat cooks only food but does not affect these plastic vessels. Teflon is a special plastic on which oil and water do not stick. It is used for non-stick coating on fry pans, cookers, etc. Fireproof plastics. Plastics which do not catch fire in fire accidents are known as fireproof plastics. As we know, synthetic fibers catch fire easily. Due to this, the uniforms of firemen are coated with melamine plastic to make them fire resistant. Plastic is light, strong, and durable. If you go back to 30 to 40 years and ask your grandparents, with what material were the buckets, mugs, etc. were made of? They say that they were all made up of metal, which had to be replaced every 2 or 3 years. But now, the buckets and mugs you are using today are made up of plastics. If you use a bucket or mug, it will be safe for even a decade or more. Since plastic is light, strong, and durable, and can be molded into different shapes and sizes. In early days, the water pipes were made up of metal. But nowadays, they are all replaced by PVC pipes, as metal pipes get corroded easily. Plastics are widely used in industry and for making a number of household articles. Summary: in our day-to-day life, plastic has become part of our life. Plastic is non-reactive or chemically inactive. Plastic is a poor conductor of heat. Plastics are bad conductors of electricity. Plastics are used in healthcare industry. Plastics are used for making special cookware. Fireproof plastics are used in manufacturing of firemen dresses.